All right, everyone. Grandpa's birthday is tomorrow, and we're going to surprise him with a party.
But we have to keep it a secret. No texting, no calling, no telling anyone.
I already made a card. It says, "Happy birthday, Grandpa," with a big cake on it. I can bake the cake. I've been watching videos. I know how to make a chocolate one.
You are very helpful, Jake.
I'll help decorate the living room. I can blow up balloons and hang streamers.
Perfect. We'll each have a job. Dad, you pick up Grandpa at his house at 3 p.m. Bring him here at 4.
Got it. I'll say we need his help fixing the fence.
That's a good excuse.
But what about the cake? We need to hide it until he gets here. I'll put it in the pantry, behind the big jar of flour. He never looks there. And the balloons? I'll tie them to the door frame so they don't float away.
Okay, let's start. Emma, get the flour and sugar. Lily, find the mixing bowl.
Mom, can you show me how much baking powder to use? I don't want it to be flat.
2 teaspoons. And don't forget the eggs, 3 of them.
I'll crack them. I'm good at cracking eggs. No shells this time.
1 cup. And a pinch of salt. That makes the chocolate taste better.
I'll measure the milk. 1 cup, right? This is going to be the best cake Grandpa has ever tasted. Can we put sprinkles on top?
He loves sprinkles. Of course, red and green ones, his favorite colors.
I'm gonna make a sign that says, "Happy birthday, Grandpa," with glitter.
Glitter gets everywhere, son. But go ahead, just clean up after.
The oven is preheating now. I'll pour the batter into the pan.
Careful, don't spill. Use the spatula to scrape the bowl.
Can I lick the spatula after? It's the best part of baking.
Yes, but only after we've put the cake in the oven.
I'm gonna blow up the balloons now. How many should we have?
Let's do 20. That's enough to fill the corner.
And I'll make a fruit salad. Grandpa loves fresh fruit.
The cake is in the oven. I set a timer for 35 minutes. I'll start writing the birthday card. I want to say you're the best grandpa in the whole world. I'll draw a picture of the cat on the card. He loves Whiskers.
I'll go get the party hats from the garage. I bought them last week.
Can we have music? Grandpa likes old jazz songs. I'll make a playlist on my tablet. We'll play it softly when he walks in. The balloons are almost all blown. This one is huge. I think it's too big.
That's fine. It can be the centerpiece. Hang it from the light fixture.
I'm back with the hats. We have 6 for each of us.
And one for Grandpa? He needs to wear one too. The cake smells amazing. I think it's almost ready.
I'll go pick up Grandpa now. Remember, no one says anything until he's inside.
We'll be ready. I'll hide behind the couch with the cake.
I'll hide behind the curtain with the balloons. I'll stand by the door and say surprise as soon as he walks in. I'll have the music ready. Just a few more minutes.
Okay, I'm off. See you in an hour.
Drive safe. And don't forget to act normal.
He's coming! I can see Dad's car pulling in. Quick, everyone get in position.
Shh, wait for the door to open.
I'm holding the balloons tight. Don't let them pop. Surprise!
Oh my goodness! What is this? For me?
Happy birthday, Dad! We made you a cake and decorated everything.
This is wonderful. I can't believe you all did this.
We baked the cake ourselves. It's chocolate, your favorite.
And you even put sprinkles on it, just like when you were little, Lily.
I remember you used to give me sprinkles on ice cream.
We all worked together. Even Whiskers kept an eye on the cake. Whiskers? You didn't let him near it, did you?
No, we locked the kitchen door. But he sat outside and meowed the whole time.
I blew up all these balloons. I almost passed out from blowing too many.
You did a great job, son. I love every single one.
And we have a card for you, with a drawing of the cat and everything.
Let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna frame it.
The cake is ready to cut. Do you want to do the first slice?
I'd love to. But first, thank you all. This is the best birthday I've ever had.
We love you, Dad. You deserve all the surprise in the world.
Now come on, let's eat cake and listen to some jazz.
Yay!
That sounds perfect. I'm so proud of this family.
Happy birthday, Grandpa!